Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is voice narration. In this video, we will learn that how we can add voice narration in Camtasia Studio. To access your recording panel, go over here and click on voice narration. The next thing is that we need to set up a microphone. To do this, click on audio setup wizard and choose your microphone. From here, you will know that your microphone is working by seeing this green bar moving up and down. You can do advanced audio setting. Just do advanced setting from here and click on OK. Then click on next and you can adjust your volume from here. Then click on finish. Okay, after we set up a microphone, it's time to start recording our voice. To do this, just click on start recording button. But before that, mute your speaker so you don't hear yourself. Now click on start recording button and you see over here that our slider is now moving. You can't move the slider during the recording process. And after we are done our recording, we just click this stop recording button. Camtasia will ask us to save this audio file. Now click on save. So you can see we got our narration here. So in that way we can use voice narration in Camtasia Studio. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.